Okay, today we are going over 8.5, use properties of trapezoids, and this is the first part, so we're just doing trapezoids. Second part, we'll do kites. We are going to go over 2 practice problems, and you can find additional problems of these with the work all done out for you on Teams in the files section. So the first couple of problems we're going to do, we're going to talk about a trapezoid and the parts of it, and then we're going to go through knowing that knowledge and how to solve these problems. So first, number 1 says if TU is 36, so we'll go ahead and write that in, and SV is 46, what is WX? So this is what we're solving for right here. So what happens with this is on a trapezoid, we know this outer segment and this outer segment are half. Once you add them together, half of that is equal to the mid segment. So again, these outer two added up, divide by 2, will give you the mid segment. So the way you can solve this is 36 plus x, because that's what we're just going to throw in there. Our question mark is just going to be x. Divide this by 2, and that will equal our mid segment, 46. And our mid segment is that segment that cuts the 2 sides in equal parts. So now we go through and solve. To get rid of this division by 2, we know we need to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So 36 plus x equals 92. And now we go through and subtract 36 from both sides. And x equals, let's see, x equals 56. So again, the outer 2 added up, divide by 2 should equal this mid segment every time. All right, we are moving on to number 2, second problem. So in this problem, you're dealing with angles now. So quadrilateral GHIJ is an isosceles trapezoid. So when we see isosceles trapezoid, we know these 2 base angles are the same value, and we know these 2 base angles will have to be the same value. So this says angle G, so this one right here is 3W plus 73. What is the value of W? Well, these here are both the base angles. So we know those equal each other in isosceles trapezoid. So 112 is equal to 3W plus 73. So now we go through and solve. Subtract 73 from both sides. 112 minus 73 is 39. Equals 3W because we bring down what we have left over. And now divide by 3 on both sides. W ends up equaling 13. Okay, so additionally, what I want to ask you is how do I solve for angle I and how do I solve for angle H? Well, these are both equal. This is 112, that's 112. So we know these 2 should equal, but in order to get one of them, I just do 180 minus 112. And that should equal 68 degrees. So if angle I is equal to 68, we know that this is the same as H, so angle H is 68. Again, there are additional practice problems located on Teams with the guide.